Dalawang tulog na lang bago ang live historic opening ng NCAA Season 100 sa MOA Arena. Mapapanood din ang mga pasabog na ganap dyan sa GMA Network pati na sa Heart of Asia. Ang Sports Bites hatid ni JP Soriano.
Mula sa paghahanap ng mga new heroes sa Season 99, mga tumata at hindi malilimutang collegiate sports moments naman ang aalalahanin sa Season 100 ng National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA. Ito ang NCAA Siglo I, Inspiring Legacies, nakikilala at magdiriwang sa isang siglo ng tagisan ng mga student athletes ng Premier Collegiate League ng Pilipinas. Ang host school ng historic season ay ang Lyceum of the Philippines University na pinangungunahan ni Season 100 Policy Board President Attorney Roberto Laurel.
It is our pride and honor for LPU, Lyceum of the Philippines University, to be the host of Season 100. We promise all of you, yung fans ng NCAA, yung mga estudyante natin of all member schools, with our partner GMA, that we are going to have a very competitive, exciting, no other season than like Season 100.
Together with our coverer, our partner GMA, we prepared an opening ceremonies that will show how NCAA was with respect to its legacy, its history, and then also unity and strength by way of several innovations.
Bukod sa inaabangang basketball, ma-highlight rin ang iba pang sports sa gitna ng lumalawak na interes ng mga Pilipino.
Lahat ng mga atleta ng iba't ibang events ng NCAA, 13 as well as other special events, they will be represented in the parade of athletes.
Present sa NCAA Philippines Season 100 Grand Press Conference ang NCAA Management Committee ng 10-member school, GMA Synergy officials ng official media partner ng NCAA na GMA Network, coaches ng men's basketball teams, at team captains ng basketball team. Kabilang na ang NCAA Season 99 champions na San Beda Red Lions at runner-up na Mapua Cardinals. Excited silang may makatapat muli sakaling umabot sa finals ng Season 100.
CSB or Mapua ulit. San Beda.
Para sa bayan, ang 100 years ng NCAA, magtatanghal din sina Justin De Dios ng SB19 at ang P-Pop Female Alphas na G22 na siyang aawi ng NCAA Season 100 theme song na Own the Future na nagpatikim na rin ng sample sa press conference. JP Soriano, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.